Topeka, Kansas. Let's count them down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag. Go, go. Hey, you're driving like your dad. You're sandbagging. Let's go.
Ooh.
Look, this one's even got him a... Back this way. Hey, where are you going? You gotta get back over here, bro. Where's Numbnuts at? Hit him!
Oh, maybe sure. I don't know. Maybe sure. He might get nervous a lot.
Down here, folks. Oh! Look at that. Hey, who taught you how to drive like that? Oh no. He says I ain't scared to roll it over. Hold on. Oh, we lost one there. Get back in and go, Hot Rod. Hey, 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 no team driving. Who are these two? Whitaker and who? Get him. Better get out of here before they put you on the bar. Go get him, Jackson. Hold on, Jace. That kid giving me the thumb, you see that? It's Jackson Laban Markley. All right, we're winding down on time. Drivers driving the time to finish it up. Let's count them down. Topeka from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Checkered flag, red flag, whatever you want to call it. Topeka, Kansas, give it up for these young kids. We had rollovers, we had cars on top of cars, we had drivers falling out of cars. That guy must have watched Chad Markley the other night. What's the matter? This kid, he's mad. He don't want to be done. Speaking of which, this kid right here, this is Jackson Markley. He's the 2021 Blizzard Bash Mullet Champion. What's the matter, bud? Hey, what's the matter?
Aww.
Does that mean, what is that? Hey, what's my name? Said Pudding Tank.
Yes,
Hey,
weekend, I'll
I'm
tell you
sorry.
the same.
All good shows got to come to an end, Jackson. Hey, somebody lost a Carhartt stocking cap. I've got a Grace Carhartt stocking cap. If your kid or he lost it, I got it.